afternoon. It's a Sunday, 12:10. Very windy. Let's go for 50k ride today on a windy day. Shall we? Today's weather is 27-28 degrees Celsius. Hot and humid, but still windy. For those people who are crazy like me, this one is for you. Stay tuned. My Swiss chocolate is melting. I didn't realize that. I got 36k into my ride so far. About almost 2 hours into my ride. I guess not bad. Riding in this windy day. Oh. Alright, goal accomplished. Did 54 kilometers, I think 2 hours and 45 minutes, over 550 meters of elevation. It was hot, humid, windy, but it was good, it was okay. I hope you guys liked today's video, and please subscribe. Until next time, keep riding, keep having fun. Adios.